Okay, what we need for this is Clorox 2. Has a little stain remover in it. We're just going to use a little bit of that and some hot water. We're going to dilute it a little bit with the hot water, and then we'll just apply it to the shoe. We're going to scrub it kind of softly but firmly in a circular motion, just so we won't really damage the fabric or material or leather. And then we take it to the back heel and try to apply it, soap that up real good. Scrub it up. Lather it up pretty good there. Gonna dilute it a few times. Keep scrubbing. Make sure you get the top and the little end tag there. And we'll continue around the shoe. We want to grab a little bit more of the Clorox 2. Just a thin line in the middle of your brush will be good. And we're going to actually apply this directly to the shoe without diluting it. We're going to scrub it firmly. We'll take that all the way around. Remember to try to keep it in a little circular motion. Catch the tongue. Go down over the shoestring area. Make sure you catch the front top part, still using that circular motion. Dilute it a little bit and take it all the way around the shoe. Catch the other side. Just give it a good, nice, firm cleaning. Make sure your water is all hot water, especially for your all white sneakers, athletic shoes, tennis shoes, whatever you want to call it. Then we're going to make sure we hit the heel real good. That's one of the dirtiest parts of the shoe, because we're going to actually get it like new again. Hit it with the Clorox 2 one more again. Apply it directly to the heel this time. Still using that circular motion, kind of firmly but light touch on it. Then we'll take the other end and hit it under the hot water. Scrub that first rub in and continue those motions until you can actually see the difference. And you'll notice that it'll be clean after a few little scrubs there. Some shoes might be a little dirtier than others. Once we finish that, we're going to go ahead and remove the shoelace so we can do the same technique on the tongue part here. And actually, once we take the shoelace out, we might as well clean that. We can run that through the brush one time to make sure we get the residual dirt from there, once or twice, depending on how dirty your laces are, and especially if they're white. Once we do that, we can drench it in all hot water. And then we're going to take the Clorox 2 once again. We're going to use the cap, drop the shoelaces in there. There'll usually be 2, but just for this demo, I'm only doing 1 so we can see the difference. Hit it with the Clorox 2, about a little cap full. The bottom cap, just enough to fill the bottom there. Then we're going to dilute it with the water one more time. Swirl it around and kind of get it soaked in there. Then we're going to set that to the side and let it sit while we finish cleaning the shoe. Now we want to hit the tongue part. Make sure we scrub that up real good. Dilute it with a little bit of water. Continue that little circular motion under there. Firmly but lightly there. We can take that around the edges too. Make sure you try to get any little standing spots on there. Then we're just going to just keep scrubbing, dilute it down a little bit. We're going to hit the back with just hot water. Get those suds out that we scrubbed in there before. And then on the heel, the little plastic part, I'm using a magic eraser. Try to get those little scuff marks off the little insert part on the back. And it seems to work pretty good there. Not sure if you're supposed to wet it because it came apart a little bit, but it's kind of getting the job done there. Just take that all the way around the little plastic insert, and the front rubber part you can clean a little bit. So we're going to go back with just hot water on the brush, go back and brush through the shoe one good time. Then after that, we're going to stuff it with a little shoe paper you get in, comes with your shoes mostly when you buy your shoes new or whatever. You can use some newspaper, a sock or something, just to absorb the water. And you want to shape the shoe. So you place it in there and then kind of shape it up like it should be, so you won't get unnecessary creases, and it'll help it dry much, much quicker. And bam, like new. Now we're going to get back to that shoestring. We'll get that out of the water, hot water, put it on a towel, blot dry it. Just kind of let that hang and dry. You can't have new shoes without new looking shoelaces. So there's the difference there. The clean one on the right, of course, and the dirty one on the left. And I think that's a pretty darn good job. Let's see how it looks with the actual shoelace in there. And there you have it. Airmax 270s. That's all you need to get it clean like new.